On July 7th, 2013, Adam Bosch was unjustifiably shot and killed by Riverside County Deputy Sheriffs. He was 29 years old. He was survived by his son, Adam Jr., who's here to my left, and his parents, Jennifer and Ignatz, who are also here today. We filed a claim for $15 million with the County of Riverside just on Friday, which is the first step to be taken in pursuing a federal civil rights case, which we intend to file in approximately 45 days in federal court. I'm working on the case together with Attorney Mark Sabah, who is to my right. In short, the Sheriff's Department came out with statements about the shooting after it occurred, and they contended that the officer shot because the vehicle was about to run him over, coming at him, and the officer was in a life or death situation and had to shoot. This incident happened at an AM/PM, and the AM/PM cameras picked up footage and video of the shooting. The police department has requested that the AM/PM owners not release the video at this time. However, they were kind enough to allow myself, Mr. Sabah, and Adam's parents to view the video. Prior to viewing the video, a witness who was at the scene, the significant other of Mr. Bosch, gave a statement. And in that statement, she described how the shooting happened. And it turned out that her statement was entirely consistent with the evidence, because the video, which we have seen and which will hopefully be released to the media shortly, shows the car slowly moving forward with two officers on the side, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side, and shows the officer shooting at the car from the side and from the back as the car is pulling away. The officer is not even close to the car or close to being struck by the car. And we are hopeful that when the district attorney's office sees that video, they will strongly consider filing criminal charges against the officer. Statistically, there are thousands of shootings that occur in California. And unfortunately, it's a very rare occasion where any of the officers who shoot and kill people are criminally prosecuted. And we believe because of that, that's one of the reasons why so many shootings continue to occur. In approximately a 60-day period, 7 different people were shot and killed by sheriffs from the Riverside County Sheriff's Department. And many of those shootings, like this shooting, including shooting at a moving vehicle where the officer was really in no harm. The standard for most agencies and in California is shooting at moving vehicles is strongly discouraged and recommended not to occur. Officers are trained they should merely step to the side and not shoot at a moving vehicle unless they see the occupant of the vehicle with a gun or a gun pointed at them.
We also had a private autopsy, and the clearly shows that the bullet wounds entered from the back to the front. The video, once released, will also establish that the shooting was from behind and not from the front. The officers were in no danger whatsoever, and the shooting was absolutely unjustified and unnecessary.
We were very close. We talked on the phone probably 10 times a day, and you know, he confided in me a lot, and I miss that.
This is my son. This is what the sheriffs do for you. They put him in a box with no justifiable cause, just because they can. I don't know if this means anything. I come from I was in the trades 23 years. It's a 4-year apprenticeship to a 5-year apprenticeship for all the trade members. Don't matter what it is, it's 4 to 5 years. Do you know that a cop can get a gun and a badge in 6 months? Does anybody realize that? Isn't that a little outlandish, outrageous? And this is what they do when they get it? It's about all I got to say right now. Thank you very much.